Hi guys, it is Morbixia. I am back with some fun mail today. Let's start with this. As many of you know who have been here before, hi Lewis. I am a professional tattoo artist. I'm also an award-winning illustrator, and I wanted some logos, and I just got those today. And these came from Sticker Mule. Oh, these are cute. Look. So these are just simple business card size stickers. They're white matte. I have used Sticker Mule before, so I'm excited to put my new logo on all things that need a sticker. I got a couple jewelry pieces from Etsy that I'm excited to share. One in particular I think you guys are going to go nuts for. If you haven't been here before, my name is Morbixia. I am a nearly 56-year-old goth fashionista. I also love pinup. I love medieval to modern. And so you'll see all of that on my channel. Ooh, so fun. So they included a little keychain fob, which is kind of funny. I'm not sure why. It's a little piece of cheese. We all know that everyone loves cheese, but I'm not really sure the relationship between what I ordered and the cheese. Super, super well packaged. This is the front of the necklace, and it's actually vacuum sealed. All right, let's get that out of there. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it's a little kitty eyeball. Let me show you the back with all the veins. And if you can see, right here is the tiny heart. I love this. This is going to be so cute. I love it. I do worry about the wings because those seem very, very fragile. This is made out of, I assume, glass for the eye and resin. But what a fun little necklace. Yay. Hey, Marissa. Hey, Pisces villain. Hey, Marissa. Thank you, Pisces villain. Marissa, I cannot tell the future. I wish I could tell the future. If I could, I think my life would be different. But sadly, no, I cannot tell the future. Even though I do read tarot now and then, but I think of tarot reading not really so much as future telling. I think of tarot reading as getting your subconscious, which tends to speak in pictures, particularly in dreams, to give stimulation and bring up things you know subconsciously. And that's what I think of it as. I don't think of it so much as like future telling, so much as just getting in contact with your subconscious. Yay! So this is, it's what I think it is. It's a ring that I got from Etsy. Here's the box. I'm really excited about this ring. I'm probably not going to pronounce this correctly. The word is foreign, but I believe it's Sudraba Nams. Very well packaged, which is good because you just never know. This is international shipping, how things are going to be shipped. I've been looking at this ring for a while. It is, let's get it where you can see it. This is sterling silver and onyx. Very nice. What I like about it is I like the shape because it kind of matches my, let's make it straight. Kind of matches my finger tattoos, and so that's why I wanted this ring specifically, is because I thought it looked really cute. I'm not married, I've never been married, but I like my jewelry often to be on this finger. So that's that. This is a win as far as I'm concerned. I love it. It's very, very spiky, but it's very comfortable. It fits great. That's super cool. Next item. Let's open this guy up because I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay. This is a new belt. So one of the reasons I have such a big wardrobe is because I have gained and lost weight like many people over my life. And in the last roughly 14 months, I have lost 85 pounds. And so a lot of my wardrobe goes from size 24 to size 000. And it's a full wardrobe at each of those sizes because at various times in my life, I have been each of those sizes. So this is just a simple circle belt. And I needed a new belt because where I thought my waist was going to be and where it actually ended up were two different places. So if you're on a weight loss journey, make sure you're stable before you start grabbing stuff. I did not. I was so excited that I was just like, I'm buying the things. But okay, so my waist is now 26 inches, which is the smallest it's ever been. And I like this detail because I just really like circles for some reason. I think circles are cool. Amazon. And this is another belt. And if you've been here a few times before, you might know that I love a good elastic belt, which is what this is. And I just needed a smaller size of said elastic belt. So Pisces villain, I like silver, but I also like gold and I like brass, which I kind of consider a tone of gold. I don't typically mix metals. It depends. The metal I choose depends on, is there any integrated hardware in the dress? Typically, I like it to match the dress hardware if the dress hardware is very noticeable. So if it's in front, and for example, if it has a silver zipper, I'm probably going to choose silver jewelry for that. Or if I'm wearing a bodice and it has brass eyelets in the bodice, I'm going to choose brass. And if it's black chrome, I do have a necklace that I've been waiting on for 3 months now that's black chrome, so I'll have something to wear with black chrome. And gold I just wear when I feel like being flashy. I have all kinds of different jewelry tastes. I'm a very eclectic person as far as my style is concerned, and so I wear whatever. All right, this very exciting package that I've been waiting on for a while is from Blackwood Castle. I have several different things from Blackwood Castle. This was a pre-order. This is the Maria trousers, and I have the blouse that was created to go with it. So, Blackwood Castle is a 100% vegan and ethically made clothing line with a romantic Victorian flavor started by historical fashion enthusiast Yazaman, I'm going to say I believe it's Getty. Fascinated by the strength and empowerment of historical regal women, Yasmin channeled this curiosity and awe into Blackwood Castle's design aesthetic. We believe that clothing is more than fabric on your skin. It is a form of self-expression, a part of identity. You should never need to compromise your values for self-expression, and with Blackwood Castle, you don't need to. It's got a cute little outfit on there, and I have this dress. I love that dress. All right, let's get it out. I'm sorry for the noise from the cellophane. Cute. So I got these in extra, extra small. Have a great day, Pisces villain. Nice to see you. Hopefully they will work out, but I'm actually just about to hop off of here. I need to get to my seamstress because I have 6 pairs of trousers that I got from Disturbia, which are done being tailored today. And if they're good, I'll bring them home. And if this one does not fit off the rack, so to speak, I will drop this one off. Typically, trousers do not fit me because my waist at 26 inches is pretty broad compared to my hips at 32 inches. So typically I need to have the hips taken in and sometimes the length. Anyway, thanks for joining, guys. Can't wait to see you guys the next time. Ciao.